Life is a beautiful yet unpredictable journey, filled with moments we can control and many more that we simply cannot. Often, we find ourselves worrying about the smallest things, trying to micromanage every detail, only to realize that not everything can go according to our will. The truth is, no matter how hard we try, some things are beyond our control, and that's okay. The key to peace lies in accepting this truth and learning to let go. Start by giving your best effort in everything you do. Work hard, stay committed, and pour your heart into your goals. But once you've done all you can, take a step back, breathe deeply, and surrender the rest to the universe, to God, or to whatever higher power you believe in. Trust that things will unfold as they are meant to, even if it's not exactly how you envisioned. There are countless things in life we cannot change, whether it's the resources we have, the attitudes of those around us, or the circumstances we find ourselves in. Even when change is possible, it often takes time, patience, and persistence. Instead of letting these challenges weigh you down, remind yourself that it's okay to not have all the answers right now. Don't allow the weight of what you can't control to steal your peace or increase your mental stress. When you feel overwhelmed, pause and take a few deep breaths. Let go of the need to control every outcome. Acceptance is not about giving up. It's about freeing yourself from the unnecessary burden of trying to force life into a perfect mold. When you accept what is happening and move forward with grace, you'll find that your mental stress begins to ease. Holding on to worry doesn't change the situation. It only harms your physical and mental health, impacts your work performance, and strains your relationships. Self-acceptance is equally important. Embrace who you are, exactly as you are. You don't need to be someone else or live up to unrealistic expectations. While it's good to strive for self-improvement, it must start with self-acceptance. You cannot grow if you're constantly at war with yourself. Celebrate your strengths, acknowledge your flaws, and work on them calmly and patiently. Similarly, accept your resources and your problems. Instead of dwelling on what you lack or what's going wrong, focus on what you can do to improve your situation, one step at a time. Progress doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and a calm mind, you'll get there. Finally, learn to accept what you cannot change. Some battles are not yours to fight, and some outcomes are not yours to dictate. When you stop resisting and start accepting, you'll find a sense of peace that allows you to live more fully and love more deeply. Life becomes lighter when you stop carrying the weight of the uncontrollable. So, take a deep breath, let go, and trust the journey. You are exactly where you need to be. Be prosperous and share happiness.